the key issue here was the leadership issue. And there were 4 or 5 pretenders to the throne. A faction that was traditionally associated with the former State House had designated the son-in-law as its candidate. In other words, the son-in-law had crossed from our side to Mahao. And their first target was to take over government, which is why from July last year, they started working on a mega plan of removing the government. And there was protecting the government all the way. And the Majoro would not have survived if I had not protected him and the government. And now Machiavellian plan was conjured up, where the Majoro faction was brought in to form an alliance with their erstwhile tormentors on the promise that Majoro would be given the leadership of the party. Now remember, Majoro is a very lucky man below the sun. Not elected to be the Prime Minister, he wakes up one day as a Prime Minister. Never elected to be the Deputy Leader. Twice he has woken up to be the Deputy Leader. And now he was not looking forward to being elected through a fair and transparent process to be the leader. He expected once again to be foisted as the leader.